Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today's recipe is a simple and easy treat. It's for chocolate Rice Krispie squares. You can use either milk chocolate or semi-sweet, and I'll show you how to adjust the recipe to fit either one of those. So back to today's featured recipe and video. Start by greasing a 9 by 12 inch pan. Get all your ingredients together and then take a large pot and add 1/3 of a cup of butter and melt it over medium-high heat. Then measure out about 11 cups of mini white marshmallows. And I use generous cups of both the butter and the marshmallows. Stir it together with a large spoon so that the butter coats the marshmallows. It's time to add our cocoa. Because I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips, I'll add 1/3 of a cup of cocoa here and stir it in until it's well combined. If I was using milk chocolate chips, I would only put 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Now you have this on over medium-high heat, but make sure that you stir it continuously and briskly because it'll stick to the bottom of the pan if you don't, and you can move it off the element like this a little bit just to give it a bit of a break and keep it from sticking too badly. Now is the time to add the chocolate chips. I added 1 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You would add the same amount if it was milk chocolate. Now you can turn your heat off at this point and just continue to stir because the heat that's already in the mixture will melt the chocolate chips, but stir it very briskly. It's important to work quickly throughout this process. Now to add the Rice Krispies, it's 1 or 2 cups at a time. And it's a total of 8 cups of Rice Krispies that you're going to be putting in this. It's easier to stir it if you do it a cup or 2 at a time. But it gets really thick and quite hard to stir, so you're going to need a strong arm and a strong spoon. This is the hardest part of the whole recipe, but I had help. I got my husband to do the stirring. And now to put it into the pan. And no, I didn't do that either. So it's good to have some help with this. And I had to run the video camera, of course, to show you the texture and what it really looks like. So thanks so much to Doug for his manpower. And so now I've greased my hands and patted it down into the pan, and then you set it aside to cool for a couple of hours, and then it's ready to cut and enjoy. So this is a simple and easy recipe, a very delicious treat. Just be prepared for all the stirring that you have to do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks so much for watching. And until next time, happy eating.